Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build a network topology with its configuration and specifically the DNS server configuration, the DHCP configuration, and lastly we will try to do the email part of the packet tracer. And okay, let's go. Hello guys, here am I again, and let's start. First we need to have our router. One router, which is I choose the 2811 router. This is this switch. I chose the 2960 switch, which is version 2 for WT, and the devices, which is two PCs and one server. First I'm gonna do is to rename this to then DNS server. The router will be the DHCP router. Switch is the S1. Next thing to do is to do the connections. I'll be using the straight to copper wire connection. Positive 0. I connect this to positive 0 to positive net 01, positive net 02 to positive net 0, positive net 03 to positive 0, and then positive net 04 to positive 0 on our DNS server. You'll see the connection is not properly colored. This connection should should all be in color green. Next we're going to do is to configure our DHCP router through the CLI configuration. A question will be appeared, and would you like to enter the initial configuration? Type no, hit enter, hit enter again. Yeah, okay, let's start the configuration. Okay. First we need to type enable. Second is the configure terminal. Next is we will going to change the host number to DHCP server. Next is we're gonna put the IP address of the DHCP pole deploy. Next is the network IP address. Network, which is the 192.168.1.0, and the subnet mask of 245.255.255.0, and hit enter. And the default router IP address, which is the 192.168.1.1, and hit enter. Next, the DNS server, DNS server, which is the 192.168.1.2, and hit enter again. Next is I'm gonna go to exit, and again type the IP address of the DHCP that we're gonna exclude the DHCP excluded address, which is the address of 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.9, and hit enter again. Type the exit command. Oh, sorry, exit, and next is hit enter again, and we're gonna start the copy run start. Hit enter again to start the configuration. Startup destination file link startup config. Hit enter. Okay. Exit to server. Uh, Type configure terminal. Hit enter again. And the int fa to connect int fa 0/0 and the IP address of it, which is the 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and hit enter. No no shutdown. Hit enter again and enter. Gonna exit and exit. Okay guys, that's it for our DHCP router configuration through CLI. Next we're gonna do is you see guys, this dot, it will turn green later on. Just wait. Next is we'll go to the DNS server, go to the IP configuration. We're gonna put the IP address of the DNS server, which is the 192.168.1.2. The subnet mask, the default subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 in the default gateway of the IP. It's also the IP address, the default gateway IP address, which is the 192.168.1.1 in the DNS server, which will be the same as in the IP address line, which is the 192.168.1.2. Okay, you're gonna see guys here the dot earlier, that color yellow turned green. It's because the configuration is already finished. Next is to go to the services, click the DNS and type the name cisco.com. Next is the address, which is the IP address 2.68.1.2. And before you guys exit in this, you will need to click add and DNS service on and go to HTTP. Click the off and on again, and same as HTTPS, off and on again to restart the input. Next is we need to go to the PC0 and gonna with the IP configuration. You can see here guys that it's in the static, and you need to go to DHCP, click the DHCP and it will request the DHCP request, and you'll see here guys it is successful. The IP address, which is the 192.168.1.10, that is the DHCP IP address in the default subnet mask, and the default gateway address, which is the 192.168.1.1, and the RDNS server, which we put earlier, it's 192.168.1.2, and hit X and you will do it again at the PC1. Next, you'll see here the IP address subnet mask default gateway DNS server. And go to DHCP, requesting again IP address. Okay, you'll see here guys that the DHCP of PC1 to PC2 IP address is not the same. You see the address of 192.168.1.10, the PC0, and the PC1 is 192.1.1.111. Hit exit, guys. X. Need to go to the next is go to the DNS server. Click the DNS server. Domain type, domain name. It's like the domain of. It's like the format of a Gmail address. Try to gmail.com. That's a domain name. Username first. You can put any username you want. I'll put first because that's what I want. Password is 12345. Click here to set the domain name gmail.com. Set. Okay, and you need to add. And next is the another Gmail name for PC0. The first domain name, the user password that we've created is for the PC0. Next, we're gonna create for the PC1. Next is the second. Password will be 54321. Okay. Click add. Next is you need to go to the to exit this. You need to go to PC0 to click the email. First, you're gonna need the user information. You're gonna set your name, the P0 to the first. I'm gonna choose first because that's what I want again. Next is the email address, which is first@gmail.com. This will serve as a recipient or a sender from the email. Incoming mail server information. The server information will be the IP addresses, which will be the 192.168.1.2. The outgoing mail server will be the same, 8.1.2. Next is the login information. Username will be just the first again, and the password is the password that we typed earlier, 12345. Next, click save. You'll see here. Next, we'll go to the PC1 again to do the same. The user information, their name is the second. Email address and the second at gmail.com. You can put in any name or address that you want, but the domain will be at the gmail.com. You can choose any name here, but this second is I prefer. Next, the server information. Server information is same as the IP address of 192.168.1.2, same as here, 192.168.1.2. The log information, which I prefer the second, and password is that we put here earlier. See here, I'll show you guys the password of this and this, the PC0, the PC1. Password is 54321. Okay, let's save. And we'll try to compose an email to send to PC1. Here, gonna click compose and The recipient will be the email that we've set through to this PC1. Second, at gmail.com. Next is the subject is network. The message is hello networking, and click send text, and we'll see if the email has been received with the PC1. Here, receive. Okay, email received, and we'll try to reply if the PC0 can receive an email too. Hi there. Send. Now we're gonna see if this reply received. Okay. Okay guys, it received the email. Next we're gonna simulate if it's working properly. Okay guys, you'll see the email here. Sent to switch the S1, sent to PC1, and sent back to S1, and email received from to PC0 from S1. Thanks guys for watching.